Hi loves, welcome back with Glam with Isis. Another Christmas DIY. Christmas is around the corner. Here's a quick piece so you can do using this plate from the Dollar Tree, frosted glass spray paint, E6000, and these beautiful deers I pick up from Walmart. If you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and subscribe. I use this frosted paint, take it outside, give it 2 light coats, and this is how it looked after using this spray paint. Then I went with my gold tape, which is linked below and in my Amazon storefront, and added to the rim of the plate or the edges of the plate. Cut off the desired amount I need, and then what I did is just went ahead and add another section. You'll see it in the end results. But here I'm just placing the deer in the desired where I want the plate to be balanced, which is for each quarter of the plate. So I had them at angles so the plate can be balanced on the deers. I use E6000 and hot glue, put it together overnight. This can be styled in your bathroom just like this with your towels. It is absolutely beautiful, and you also can style it as a centerpiece just like this, or any other things you want to put on top here. Thanks for watching guys, and see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and press your notification bell and leave a comment below.